This is the best recipe for hair growth. Try it and be amazed. Long hair is one of the many characteristics that define women, and even part of the system that protects our body against damage. But today is not just about women. The issue of growth and hair loss in this century in which we now live. Both women and men are unwilling to exhibit poor hair and unattractive. This time we bring a simple, but powerful home remedy that solves problems falling faster than we imagine hair. This is the best hair growth treatment of all time. It will return that long hair you never had or for some reason you've been losing. But first we see the most common reasons why we drop the hair. Normally our hair loses a daily amount of 50 to 100 strands, but when the amount is more abundant, it is necessary to study what we are eating, and verify what is needed in our diet. Taking certain medications causes involuntary loss of hair. Similarly, if we pass some time in our life when we face certain types of diseases. Age is an important factor. Adhering years our skin and body feel weak. But hair also reflects the damage caused by age. Needless to say, we turn to describe this remedy. When you use it, you'll have to stop using it because hair growth will surprise you. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons ground cinnamon, 6 tablespoons honey, 6 tablespoons olive oil. Preparation: let's put olive oil in a water bath, let warm up, then we add the remaining ingredients, and mix well. When it is warm we will apply all over scalp, leave act with a hat or plastic bag for an hour. You can do it from 2 to 3 times a week to see faster results.